Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update actually. But however though, right now we're looking at a very intense squall line that's been moving through past couple hours. It was blasting through Mississippi, Louisiana, and southern Arkansas. Now it's moved on to Alabama, producing very heavy rainfall. Several inches has fell across Birmingham, even up to 7 inches of rain has been falling. It has been quite a shocker really. But we're looking at Squall Line's going to continue to push off to the east right now, looking at severe thunderstorm warnings actually. This is unavailable, probably 60 miles per hour winds. Yeah, all these probably have 60 miles per hour winds. As it starts to slow down, winds are starting to also weaken. As this is finally dropping. However though, as it continues on, to continue off to the east, this is going to continue to produce widespread wind damage as it slowly weakens. However though, South Carolina, we have it wasn't actually a pretty hefty squall line as well. It's definitely not to its former glory. We have another cell across North Carolina, producing damaging winds. And then this line as well is producing damaging winds. And it actually caused some considerable wind damage across northern Richmond. As this continues, we have another squall line. So, yeah, looking at tonight, we have a moderate risk still. This is going to be likely to be downgraded. However, though, marginal risk the next 2 days will be probably going back to the normal weather update routine. And apart from that, yeah, that's really it. And goodbye.